Hey there, curious minds. What if I told you, somewhere out there in the ocean, there's a tiny creature that might have found the secret to living forever? Yep, this isn't science fiction, it's real. Let's dive into the mind-blowing world of the immortal jellyfish creature that literally cheats death. Stick around, because each fact gets crazier than the last. Let's go. 1. It's called Turritopsis dohrnii. This little jellyfish has a fancy name, Turritopsis dohrnii. It may seem tricky, but all you need to know is that it's the only known creature that can actually reverse its life cycle. Like, hit the rewind button on life. 2. It's tiny, like really tiny. You'd think an immortal creature would be some giant sea monster, right? Nope. This jellyfish is about the size of your pinky nail, just 4 to 5 millimeters. Imagine something so powerful, yet so small. 3. It can turn back into a baby. Here's the crazy part, it doesn't just live a long time. When it's stressed, injured, or even starving, it can transform its adult body back into its baby stage. A tiny polypand, start life all over again. It's like pressing reset on a video game. 4. Scientists call it biological immortality. To be clear, it can still be eaten or die from disease. But aging, not a problem. In theory, this jellyfish can repeat its life cycle forever, which scientists call biological immortality. 5. It was discovered by accident. The immortal jellyfish was first discovered in the Mediterranean Sea in the 1880s, but no one realized how special it was until the 1990s, when scientists accidentally observed its life cycle in a lab. Talk about a lucky find. 6. It has super healing powers. When it's injured, it doesn't just heal like most animals, it changes. It rebuilds its entire body structure and turns back time. Imagine if you could fix a broken arm by becoming a kid again. 7. Its cells can transform into any other cell. This jellyfish uses a process called transdifferentiation, which means it can basically tell its cells to become something else. Muscle cells can become nerve cells. Skin cells can become digestive cells. It's like biological shape-shifting. 8. It's not the only jellyfish that can regrow parts. Jellyfish in general are pretty good at regenerating, but the immortal jellyfish takes it to a whole new level. Other jellyfish can regrow tentacles. This one can regrow its entire life. 9. It can repeat the cycle over and over. Here's what's really wild, it's not a one-time trick. It can become an adult, reverse to a baby, grow up again, and do this repeatedly. Scientists have seen it reset multiple times in the lab. 10. It's almost impossible to track in the wild. You'd think this discovery would make it easy to study, but it's not, because it's so tiny and transparent. Tracking it in the ocean is super hard. Most of what we know comes from jellyfish kept in aquariums. 11. It can clone itself. When it transforms into its baby stage, a polyp, it can actually create clones. This makes it even harder to know which jellyfish is the original. It's like leaving behind tiny copies of yourself. 12. It's spreading worldwide. Originally found in the Mediterranean, the immortal jellyfish is now showing up all over the world. Scientists think global shipping may have accidentally carried them to new oceans. 13. It has a simple nervous system. It doesn't have a brain like we do. It has a nerve net, a super simple way of sensing the world. Yet somehow, this basic system holds the secret to immortality. Mind-blowing, right? 14. It has no heart, bones, or blood. The immortal jellyfish is basically a little sack of water with tentacles. No heart, no bones, no blood, yet it can outlive almost everything else on Earth. Simple design, unbeatable trick. 15. Scientists are studying it for human aging. The big question, can we learn its secrets? Scientists are studying how its cells reset themselves in hopes of understanding aging, and maybe even slowing it down for humans someday. 16. Stress triggers its transformation. When life gets tough, injury, sickness, hunger, it doesn't give up. It turns back into a baby to avoid death. Stress actually helps it survive by giving it a chance to start over. 17. It has no natural lifespan limit. For most animals, there's a clock ticking from birth. But for the immortal jellyfish, there's no fixed endpoint. Its lifespan is completely open except for accidents, predators, or disease. 18. It reproduces both sexually and asexually. It's got options. It can create offspring by mating like most animals, but it can also clone itself when it reverts to the polyp stage. It's like having a backup plan at all times. 19. It's still a scientific mystery. Even though we know what it does, we still don't fully understand how it pulls off this biological magic. Every time researchers look deeper, they find more questions. 20. It might be nature's biggest life hack out of all the creatures on Earth. This tiny jellyfish may hold the biggest life hack of all, dodging the aging process itself. And who knows, maybe one day, understanding this jellyfish could help us hack aging too. Pretty amazing, right? I mean, a creature that just refuses to grow old? Mind blown. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button. Smash subscribe for more wild science facts. And drop a comment, would you hit the reset button if you could. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.